This has got to be the ultimate frozen cocktail, the Rainbow Margarita. 3 layers, we got a standard, we've got mango, and we've got strawberry. Let's make it. So we're gonna be using 2 of my homemade syrups for this one. Obviously the recipes are online, check out those videos. So we're building 3 standard frozen margaritas. So 3 containers here that we're gonna blend later. We're starting with about 2 ounces of Blanco tequila in each of the containers. After that, we're doing orange liqueur. I'm gonna use Cointreau, a full ounce of Cointreau in each container. Up next is our lime juice, and I've said this before, whenever you're making a frozen cocktail, margarita or daiquiri, you want to basically double up on your citrus and your sugar because the ice dilutes the drink. So I'm doing 1.5 ounces each of lime juice. There we go. Up next is our sweetener, and for this one we're doing a full ounce. The first one gets 1 ounce of agave syrup. Again, you could go a little higher than 1 ounce if you wanted to. And the second one is getting 1 ounce of that mango syrup. And the last one gets 1 ounce of the strawberry syrup. There we go. All right, about 2 to 3 scoops of crushed ice in each. If you have a blender, you can use, I'm using a hand blender, so I have to crush my ice first because it's not gonna blend full on cubes. Oh, and I forgot the secret ingredients. Let's add that in now. A little bit of xanthan gum. That's gonna keep everything emulsified. Okay, I am salting the rim. Now I do usually say to only salt the outside for margarita, but this is a frozen drink. I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so we're starting with the strawberry layer. We're gonna slowly layer on the mango on top of that. I was worried it wouldn't mix properly, but it did layer nicely. And then finally the classic on top. We're gonna garnish simply with a lime wheel, and there's your cocktail. All right, guys, here it is, the Rainbow Margarita, 3 layers, standard, mango and strawberry. I layered it this way. I kind of prefer, maybe I should have put the strawberry in the middle so it would differentiate, but anyways, let's give it a try. So strawberry on the bottom. Ooh, got some salt on that one. And the salt fell to the bottom. Let's try to get that mango layer. Ooh, mango, nice. Oh, that's so good, so refreshing. The mango one's definitely more tart. Strawberry's a little more sweet. Oh, this is phenomenal. And then it kind of blends, becomes all one thing eventually. Every now and then you get a little bit of salt that falls in. Whew, this is nice. And obviously, guys, this is just a technique. You don't have to do exactly the layers I did. You can do a blue margarita, you can do raspberry, you can do a daiquiri, do 3 flavors of frozen daiquiri, and then make a rainbow daiquiri. So it's more of a technique than an actual drink, but this is absolutely phenomenal. And the first time I actually had this cocktail was at Disney World for my honeymoon back in 2015, and we were staying at the Coronado Springs Resort, and they had frozen margaritas by the pool, and you could have standard, mango, or strawberry, or you could have rainbow, put them all together. Funny story, actually, so my wife and I went to the hot tub, and there was a bunch of other couples in the hot tub, and all the men had just like a beer or a standard cocktail, and I show up with this rainbow fruity drink, and I kid you not, within the next 10 minutes or so, every single one of those guys got up, went to the bar, and came back with one of these. The moral of the story is, just because you're a guy, you don't need a manly drink. You can enjoy the colorful, fruity stuff too. Hey guys, we recently did 3 levels of pina colada. Check out this video right here. Some awesome variations there. And if you want to see 4 other amazing frozen cocktails that you can try, check out this video right here. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Go make a rainbow margarita. Cheers.